Hi friends, this is Bank Nifty future 5 minutes chart. Now I explaining about the Bill Williams alligator strategy. You see, these are the indicators of Bill Williams. The first indicator is Awesome oscillator, AO, Awesome oscillator. The second one, accelerator oscillator. The third one is gator oscillator, alligator strategy. That means you can see the AO, first indicator, now coming to the zero level. This is the zero level. Earlier it was trading in the positive territory. Now it comes to neutral. And after sometimes, maybe after 15-20 minutes, it will come to negative territory. That means below the minus, below the zero level. It will go to minus, means the sentiment will change. Bank Nifty, buyers will become sellers. And you can see the second oscillator is the accelerator oscillator. It will give acceleration for the trend. Actually, the market will comes to sell side, means the accelerator will give acceleration. That means market will go sell side very fast. The gator oscillator is, it is like a alligator. You know na, the crocodile, alligator. This is the body. Now the alligator is sleeping. You see the small dotted lines, continued dotted lines. This is the nose of the alligator. Now the alligator is sleeping. Here the alligator is opening his mouth and eating the foods. You see the market is going up. Here the Awesome oscillator in the positive territory. Accelerator oscillator also positive territory. Here you see the alligator, here the alligator sleeping. After that you can see alligator opens his mouth. You can hear the place alligator opens his mouth. You can see market went so much high. Same thing. Now the Awesome oscillator comes to the minus. Accelerator oscillator also showing minus, coming on the sell side. Now the alligator is sleeping. After some time it will wake up and opens his mouth, means market will fastly come to downside. Minimum 400 to 600 points correction immediately possible. Maybe today or tomorrow huge sell off will happen. 400 to 600 points as per 5 minutes chart. I am explaining as per 5 minutes chart. One more thing I am telling, this is the moving average. Yellow color line is the moving average. 200 moving average, 200 day EMA in 5 minutes chart. You see rejection, it touches the 200 EMA from the morning. You see, since morning it touches the 200 EMA, not crosses the 200 EMA. It's struggling, somewhat struggling here, not crosses. That means market faces stiff resistance at 200 EMA at 5 minutes chart. This orange color line, this brick color line is 50-day EMA in 5 minutes chart. That is holding the market as of now. Now the time is 12:55. You see, here it touches and here touches. 4-5 times it touches the 50 EMA. This is holding the Bank Nifty for the last 2 hours, 2.5 hours. If this 50 EMA broken and trades 10-15 minutes below that level, then definitely what will happen? Sell off will start. Then this alligator also opens his mouth. You see here you can see sharply the nose, small dotted lines. Unable to see the line also because it's sleeping. If this 50 EMA is broken, means EMA broken, means definitely alligator will open his mouth and started to eat the food. That means sellers will eat the food soon. This is the alligator strategy. I like to share to you. You can enjoy the technical analysis. Disclaimer, I am not the SEBI registered analyst or advisor. So this is only for educational purpose. You can watch this in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, means you can share with your friends and give some suggestions on the comment box. I hope this strategy will work. I am expecting some 21,300 levels in next 2 days. Once this alligator will start to open his mouth, means we can see 21,300 on Bank Nifty. It's 500 points. It's a good target. You can enjoy. Thank you, friends.